Hi. Tired of making some, educational stuff and wanted to do something fun with this robot here. So let us make something which is really cool using this robot and using our functions. So what we are going to do today is we will design a step. Everyone have seen the stairs, right? In the building or anywhere where we want to, climb up or go upstairs. So that time we use stairs. So how exactly it looks? Wait, let us see. So it will look something like this. So it is not so clean, but while using the program, it will be very much clean. So this is how it looks like one is flat and down, flat and down. So let us make it using the program. So first, what we are going to do is we will start it from here so that we'll get a bigger picture. So for that, we will turn our robot manually and pull it back and we'll turn it left. Again, we will pull it back till the end of our screen, then turn it right and turn it left and move it forward. So we will move this till here and again one step we can move and we will turn it. So now as we can see that we have our robot here in this corner and we want our steps in this design. So what we are going to do is we will go for my program and let us zoom a little. So we'll go to my program and we'll do this block here. So after adding my program block in the screen, we can, we wanted to repeat certain times, right? Without repeating, it is not possible to make step design here. So what we are going to do is we will go to loops. And in the loop, we will use a simple loop, like repeat certain times. And we will go to math and we'll add the value to our loop. So now as we can see that the value is added to our loop and but there is no any command to tell the robot. So for that reason, what we'll be doing is we'll go to motions and we want it to move forward. So see, in the stairs, what happens is it will move forward and again turn right and move forward and turn right. So that is what keeps on happening. So we will turn right, right. So this is very simple. See, after this task, like after repeating so many times, we will stop the loop. If not, it will be just going on in a loop. So here we will add the stop. So how many steps we want to do is we will let's take we'll add some 10. So I entered 10. So now let us see the summary of our program. So in my program, what I have told my robot is to move forward in certain position here till it reaches 10 steps. After it is reaching the 10th step, we are commanding it to stop. I mean, what are the movements which will be going on will be stopped. So let us see how it works. So for that, first we got to save our project and after saving, we will start our program. So when I click on start, let us see how it works. So as we can see that a robot is just keep on moving in that space. So now there is an error. So now there is an error in our program. So how do I fix it? So for that, I will first replace my car to its original point after resetting it. So as we did first, that we moved it backward, we moved it backward till the corner of our screen and we turned the left and again move forward. and one, two steps. Yeah. So I have got my car at the position from where it was starting. So here the problem is we just told it to move forward and turn right. So that means it will make a square, right? So what we are going to do is we will correct our error, which is known as debugging. So we will add move forward block, and again after moving forward, I want it to turn right. So yeah, now I think this should work. Why? Because here we are telling move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right. So there is no turning backwards again. So we'll save our project and we'll start and see how it works. So when I start, we can see that it is still doing the same. So where might be our mistake? So here there is the mistake. We will remove the stop one because it was not really needed. This robot is sensing that after moving certain steps, I got to stop there itself. But it is not. So the robot is still in position, and now after removing stop, let us see how it is working. So when I click on start, it is again moving. So what mistake are we doing here is the turning part. So it is moving forward and turning right and moving forward and turning right. So we will reset it and see even here it is doing the same thing. So we'll stop and reset the program. So here the main reason for this will be our command. So here there is a debugging part. See, I told it is a fun video, but with the fun we have something to learn. Let us see move forward, turn right, and move forward and turn left. So we'll delete it and turn left. Oh, sorry. So let us start. See, now here comes our decoding part. So as we can see that now it is perfectly going in its own way as we had planned. So here there was a error. So this is where the debugging comes, and now we have debugged it. And now there is no error, and we will reset our uh, position and will move backward manually until the end of the screen, and we will turn left and we will move forward till the upper corner of our screen and turn right. After turning right, what we are going to do is we will save our project here, and after saving, let us see how it works. So when I saved it, it is moving perfectly as we had you know planned it to move. So now what are the things we have done is we had commanded a robot to move certain steps, like move 10 steps. And now here it is making a design of stairs, which we wanted. But the additional thing in this is we learned how to debug the program when there is a major error in our simulation. So now we have made our step design robot, you can say that. And that's it for today. See you in the next video, Future Robot Builders.